Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to put Hbar on Ledger Nano X. First, install the Hbar app via Ledger Live and connect your Nano X using the provided cable or Bluetooth. Next, open the Hbar app on the device, create or access a Hbar account in Ledger Live, and confirm addresses on the device. I will walk you through sending Hbar, confirming transactions, and tips to avoid common mistakes. In this video, I will show how to put Hbar on Ledger Nano X. With your Nano X unlocked and Ledger Live open, go to Manager, allow the app to connect, then install the Hbar app. Confirm installation on the device screen and wait until the app appears. If you see storage limits, remove unused apps temporarily. Once Hbar is installed, you are ready to add an account and manage Hbar securely through Ledger Live. In this video, I will show how to put Hbar on Ledger Nano X. Start by selecting Receive in Ledger Live and choose your Hbar account, then verify the address on the Nano X screen. Send a small test amount like 1 Hbar to confirm everything works and check the transaction ID in both Ledger Live and your Explorer. If the test succeeds, send the full amount and always confirm each TX on the hardware device to stay safe.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.